So basically today in this video I want to fly my Mini 3 Pro and take some pictures of Whitby Abbey, as you can see here. That's the Abbey, and that's basically what I want to take some pictures of. It's pretty, it's an evening time, it's a bit cloudy, slightly windy, but I'm assuming my Mini 3 Pro will do pretty good in this weather. So basically I'm gonna set off here, no people around, it's just me, you, and my drone. For 20 minutes should be all right. So I'll sit here, or maybe there. I think that spot is better. What do you think? All right. It's pretty cool. You can see that I got little ships or boats coming inside the town. It's pretty cool, and I want to take some nice shots, probably from there. Sorry. I'll sit here, take off. Let's extend this. I extend this little tripod. I think hopefully you can see now. Yeah, I already took some pictures down there, but I really want to take some pictures up here as well. Some pictures, some videos, just for 10-15 minutes while I still have parking available. And then after that, I will definitely go home. Switch on the party controller. Just my drone. Not bad today. Just a bit of wind up here, that's it. And I'm gonna show you some pictures as well and some images. Okay. Alright, I'll switch it on. Also, you can see how I will gonna take off from my hand. I know some people, they're afraid that their fingers can get chopped, but if you do safely, you should be alright. So just wait a bit to connect. Alright. So you can see it's a bit windy. So let's see. I'll show you how to take off from the hand. Confirm. That's it. And now we just leave it, and here you go. It's up in the sky. Nothing serious, just need to make sure you don't cut your fingers, you don't chop them. So I'll probably need to adjust my settings because it's a bit too dark. Alright, cool. Alright. Just let you know, it's a bit windy today up here. It was alright 5 minutes ago, but now it seems got a bit windy. And that's at Whitby Abbey, which is pretty cool. And I'm gonna show you some images and some videos at the end of this video if you made it. Also, if you are into drones, feel free to join the community I've built for DJI pilots. It's basically the links in the description, and just click on it, join for free, and basically can talk about drones and ask questions, share images and all this stuff. Pretty much everything what Facebook group does, but it's much better. So my drone is up in the sky. Alright, took some videos. Now it's time to take some pictures of this location. And I need to adjust some settings. That's it. It's pretty nice here. Yeah. Cool. So now take some videos of the Abbey. Just make sure I don't go too far. Keep an eye on my drone, which is literally 20 meters away from me. It's up there. It's not too high. Try to keep everything safe. take another video. So yeah, it's if you have a chance to visit Whitby Abbey, I think it's well worth it. It's a lot of people coming here, and it's always busy. I've met a guy like half an hour ago. He was flying down there. He's air-free. I was impressed with that quality of air-free drone, but obviously I can't justify spending extra money on a new drone. So at the moment I'm still happy with my Mini 3 Pro, Air 2S and my Avata. I think got the basic drones. I'll take a couple more images, couple more videos on here, and that will do. Take some videos of the waves. So you can, we're gonna show them. It's really windy. You can, I mean, I can see the waves. They're really strong, and I'm surprised my Mini 3 Pro still does really well in this wind. Right, that's it. It's my video done. Let's put this GoPro so you can see me better. So that's it. And I really want to do this.
Cheers. That's the idea. When she stops chasing it,
yeah, it's really cold. It's getting cold as well today, and windy. So this video, I really wanted to do a long time ago. This video. There you go. Because of the wind, I still got another 12 minutes flight time on my drone, and just you know, this battery was full 100% when I got into the drone. It's just the wind. The wind is really bad. I want to get a bit more closer to the abbey. I want to take some images. I can see the wind. It's moving my drone. It's so funny. Basically, this video basically talking. It's more like a vlog video. Nothing fancy. Just taking some pictures, enjoying the hobby, enjoying the weather and the locations. And I forgot to mention, if you like my channel, feel free to subscribe. Sorry. Any questions, ask in the comment, or just join. Oops. I think I got a seagull next to my drone. Let's go a bit more higher. That's it, a bit more higher, so I don't get them seagulls attacking my drone. I would love to have a zoom lens on this mini drone. I really hope the DJI will somehow do a zoom lens on the mini drones. Yeah, I can see my drone. So I've still got another 10 minutes flight time, and probably that'll be it. It's a really nice town here. It's a nice town, but really hard to get the right weather. I'm just taking a couple more pictures before I go home, and I'm gonna show you the quality of them images, and it's outstanding. So yes, again, I don't know, I haven't said much in this video, but I'll definitely post a video every week and try to talk more about video content, photography. I really love photography. I did invest quite a lot in lenses, cameras, and let's say free drones, quite a lot. Sadly, not a lot. Not much time to fly them all. That's the main issue. Alright, I think it's time to bring my drone back home because of the wind. I got now 60% on my battery and 15 minutes flight time, which is a bit risky. So again, thanks for watching this video. I mean, I know I haven't said much in this video. Basically, it's good to talk to you, to someone watching me. Still, there's more people coming here, and I probably have to go home now. Otherwise, my wife she'll kill me.